Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of VI Tech Academy and warm welcome to another announcement. In today's announcement, we will tell you about our new update of VI Tech Academy, and this is very interesting update, interesting announcement, and many of you are waiting for this. Okay, so everything I will discuss in the video, so please keep watching this video till the end. I promise that this will not take 4-5 minutes, more than 4-5 minutes. So let me start the video. Before start the video, thank you so much Mr. Daresh and Mr. Amit from Technical Discussion with Amit for supporting us. You can also support us, you can also join us as a member. So you can see the join button just below the video, and when you click the join button you can see 3 levels of membership: silver, gold and diamond. So if you wish, you can also subscribe us as a silver, just 29 rupees only, and you will get early access videos. Okay, so latest videos you will get early access, which means before public you can access all of our videos. So go and subscribe today, and when you subscribe, this will really help us to turn on the light of the VI Tech Academy project, and it's just about 29 rupees only. Okay, so this is the first small announcement, and second, the big announcement is, guys, guess what? We are going to launch our brand new course. Yes, see, whenever we have started our training center, whenever we have started providing the tutorials, trainings and all, we have few courses: computer literacy expert for basic computer, then we have introduced HTML for web development, and then we have introduced advanced web development also, then we have introduced Android development also, then we have introduced Python programming also. Android development is recent, but before that we have Python programming. Now today I'm going to share with you, if you are interested in sound engineering, again I'm telling, if you are interested in sound engineering, then this course is absolutely best for you, because earlier we have launched about the audio editing, basics of audio editing with Goldwave, and many people enrolled in that course. Right now we have introduced, we think a little bigger. Why only this Goldwave? Why only this Goldwave? Because see, Goldwave is a basic audio editing. It's a powerful audio editor obviously, but you cannot go further. You cannot record multiple tracks at a time. You cannot get proper sound engineering effects, sound related effects or things, okay, professional things. So we are thinking, and that's why we come with, we bring our new course, Getting Started with Reaper. Yes, finally we are going to launch our course, Getting Started with Reaper. And after watching this video, you cannot believe that what is the attractive price rate you are going to get. Okay, so we are going to launch today. So in this video, let me tell you what you are going to learn in this video. So see, Reaper is a multi-track recorder, and it is a like digital audio workstation. By technically it's called digital audio workstation, DAW. Okay, whenever you have seen any songs recorded, whenever you have seen any big podcast recorded, or whenever you listen any stories, any songs, anything, any music compositions, they are recorded using DAW, digital audio workstation. There are many DAWs available, like Adobe Audition is there, FL Studio is there, then Reaper is there, then many other DAW is there. Okay, so apart from Adobe Audition, apart from FL Studio, Reaper is slight easy to learn, and it's accessible with screen readers. There are some specific tools, NVIDIA add-ons and JavaScripts available, will give you Okay, so with the help of the tool you can edit audios, you can design sounds professionally. What you can do after this course, you can record your own song using any karaoke, anything. Okay, you can edit audios professionally, you can score, you can do background scoring if you know background music very well. Okay, so here you will get the knowledge of sound engineering, sound designings. Okay, then you will also get some effects such as equalizer, okay, echo, delay, reverb, etc., room noise, etc. Okay, then some vocal editing, some advanced level of vocal editing you also learn here. Okay, then some background music, how to mix with background music, how to edit the vocals properly. So after completing of the course you will have a foundation knowledge of Reaper. If you want to go advanced, then we will plan for that later, but for now it is basic to intermediate level, which is the getting started with Reaper. If you want to start your sound engineering journey, if you want to start your sound designing journey as a professional sound engineer, you can go with this course, and later on you can go for the advanced topics. Who is the trainer? The trainer is one of our expert in our community, so you can get best knowledge from him. Okay, so you can get the best knowledge from us. We are always providing you the best knowledge at the best price. Now before coming to the price, how you can register and how you can take this. Okay, so first of all I will share with you the course link in the video description, as well as on our official WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, everywhere. Okay, also you can visit our website, which is vitechacademy.42web.io. Remember, if you are watching this video in 2025 or later, this website URL might not be work. If any changes happen, so please follow us on WhatsApp and Telegram so you can get the right link. Also you can visit our official website from the about page of our YouTube channel, it will be better. After visiting the official website, click on the live trainings. There you can find all of our trainings, and scroll down and there you will find one training called Getting Started with Reaper. Just click that page and this page will open, okay, which you can see on my screen right now. The screen is not audible right now. Okay, so after coming this page, just scroll down and you will find one form. Okay, one more thing, before submitting the form or before telling the form, just I am going to tell you about what you need. Okay, you must have a computer, laptop, desktop, you must a computer user, okay, familiar with JAWS and NVDA. Basic computer knowledge is required, like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint is not necessary, but MS Word, navigation, etc. Okay, browsing, internet browsing is required. Okay, and basic understanding in English, as well as if you know how to work with Zoom or Google Meet, it will be better. Okay, also Google Drive knowledge is necessary because we will provide you the recordings. Okay, now what you get? Okay, you get 8 hours of live lectures, 8 hours, 4 sessions, total 4 sessions. Each sessions contains 2 hours. Okay, recordings you will get. Okay, doubt clearing sessions, lifetime free chat support. Okay, course completion certificate, yes, it's a certified course. Okay, as well as you can also have the chance to learn the advanced topics if you need then. Okay, so these are the features which you get. Now what I am saying, how you can fill up, how you can register. So after coming to the Reaper's page, scroll down and there you will find one enrollment option. There you need to enter your name, full name, then choose the gender, then type your address, this will use in the invoice, then city, state and country, then 10-digit phone number if you are from India. Okay, then WhatsApp, if you have the WhatsApp in the same number, just choose the same as above from the radio button. Next, email ID. Next is type of impairment. Which impairment do you have? Next is select language. Next you need to select the language. Remember, this course is only available in English right now. Okay. Are you a screen reader user? You have to do yes here. Next is where did you hear about the course? If you need to choose some platform, then at the end you will have a option called have a coupon code or referral code, please enter, or something like this. So when you see this coupon code section, here you need to enter happy 25, capital HAPPY 25, happy 25. Okay, so this is a special code where you can get 25% discount on this course on MRP. Okay, the course price is 999, and if you use this code, the course price will be 749. So this is how you can easily register yourself, and after registration we will contact you, and probably our next batch will start at January 2025, and this offer will end soon. So hurry up and register now. I hope you understood what I was trying to say. If you are interested to start your professional sound engineering journey, this course is perfect for you. So guys, those who are interested, don't wait, because seats are very limited. We don't include more than 10 students, so please go and register fast, because seats are reserving fast. Go and register now. If you have any doubts, you can ask us in the comment section. I will definitely help you out in the comment section. So this is all about today's announcements. I have informed you everything in the same video, in the single video. So I hope it's clear to you. So see you in the course. Thank you so much.